How you doing today? My name is Dominic, and I'm reporting at you live from the conference room. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting that I am not your financial advisor, and this video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm just a kid coming here from the conference room trying to get rich, and this is what we do around here. We're talking about uranium, okay? Past few weeks, we've been talking about oil and gas. You see what's happening with the oil price and the gas price. Everything's going to the moon. Same thing's going to happen with uranium. You see the what's happened with the United States. They're talking about doing the same thing they did with oil, banning Russia. Wyoming, if you know anything about what's going on in Wyoming with Bill Gates is going to be building a $1 billion nuclear power plant in Wyoming. Now, the stock we're going to be talking about today, my stock, I've been a shareholder for over a year in this company, URG. Not going anywhere. This company, URG, is located in Wyoming. I do believe, now this is all speculation, what I'm about to say. Okay, speculation. I've been speculating that Bill Gates will buy out URG, full cash deal. I do believe that will happen with Your Energy, ticker symbol URG. Not to say all the rest of the other ones are good, but I do believe that since URG is located in Wyoming, they do what's called an in situ mining recovery. They put these chemicals in the ground, and it like basically extracts the uranium out of the ground. And Bill Gates, they do that in situ recovery with their Cameco in Canada. They do that in situ recovery there, and so does URG. So they're a perfect fit for Bill Gates. I do believe that they will get bought out by Bill Gates. Ticker symbol URG. But that's just my opinion, not a financial advisor. But let's go take a look over at their website. And this company just recently announced their earnings like 30 minutes ago or something like that. North America's premier uranium mining company, lowest cost producer of uranium in North America. Your Energy is engaged in uranium mining, recovery, and processing operations, as well as the exploration and development of uranium mineral properties. Okay, now let's go and take a look over at their earnings that they just released just today. Now, keep in mind, they haven't been producing uranium in 2021 because the price is so low, but they do have inventory and they have a bunch of cash, okay? Now, the CEO, John Cash, said we are encouraged by the dramatic increase in domestic and global support for nuclear power, as it is increasingly recognized as one of the plausible solutions to climate change. Your Energy is the inviolable position of being able to quickly ramp up and participate in an improving uranium market. In addition, we could immediately deliver up to 284,000 pounds of uranium into the Uranium Reserve Program, currently being established by the United States Department of Energy. On March 3rd, 2022, we had $44.7 million in cash, plus our ready-to-sell U.S.-produced inventory worth approximately $14.4 million at recent spot prices. Additionally, we continue to advance the construction of Header House 2 and 4 to expedite production when market signals allow us to ramp up at Lost Creek. Okay, so they got $44.7 million in cash, and they're sitting on inventory worth approximately $14.4 million at recent spot prices. Now, but if the spot price continues to go up like oil prices did, that $14.4 million in inventory that they're sitting on could be worth more by the time that they're ready to sell it to the United States Department of Energy. Okay, it says right here they have 284,000 pounds of uranium ready to sell to the Uranium Reserve Program, currently being established by the United States Department of Energy. Okay, now we're going to be talking about Wyoming as well. You know that Bill Gates is building that $1 billion nuclear power plant in Wyoming. This article just came out. It said the amended nuclear power plant bill advances with unresolved issues. Okay, so they got to go ahead to start construction, but there's still issues, I believe. So let's go and take a look. But I want to see says concerns remain about the Natrium nuclear power plant's reliance on a Russian enrichment facility for fuel. Okay, this is the main deal that I want to tell you guys about why I believe, like I said, URG and Bill Gates, they're going to be perfect match. Okay, URG and Bill Gates, remember that. Amended nuclear power bill advances with unresolved issues. Concerns remain about the nature of nuclear power plants' reliance on Russian enrichment for fuel. Okay, let's go and scroll down here and see the Russian fuel source. It said the liquid sodium cooled natrium design relies on high assay, low enriched uranium metallic fuel, according to Bill Gates back to TerraPower. As of today, the only facility that can produce commercial quantities of HALEU is owned and operated by 10X in Russia, which is problematic on a number of levels. TerraPower began setting aside capital in listen to this part. TerraPower began setting aside capital in 2021 to stand up domestic HALEU enrichment capabilities to create an American competitor to 10X. Okay, TerraPower began setting aside capital in 2021 to stand up domestic HALEU enrichment capabilities to create an American competitor to 10X. All right, see that right there? That could be their URG acquisition in the future. Okay, not a financial advisor, not a sidekick, just a kid trying to get rich, putting the pieces of the puzzle together. We are working with Congress and the Department of Energy to expedite the development of domestic enrichment capability. This investment has helped support the only facility in the United States currently licensed to produce HALEU, although they do not have the ability to produce HALEU at commercial levels. Okay, that's another hint at URG. At commercial, they do not yet have the capability to produce at commercial levels. Okay, they are a junior mining company, URG. So put the pieces to the puzzle together. Do whatever you want. And URG, let's take a look at the spot price. Spot price hit $53 today. Last time I made a video, we were down here around $46 or $44. So we're going up just like oil. The uranium, I believe that uranium is going to be the next oil. All right. I've been saying it on Twitter. I've been saying it on Stock Twits. Uranium is going to be the next oil. All right. That's what I think. Like I said, not a financial advisor, just a kid trying to get rich. Always remember that URG, uranium, let's go to the moon. And always remember that's the ultimate goal for this YouTube channel is to get rich.